Hello, dear Leos. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. So, keep in mind this is a journal of reading, so this might or might not resonate with you. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. So, let's start, Leos, with your partner's current energy. Let's see your partner's current energy right now is. This is a predictive reading, so it is starting from first. Yeah, tomorrow, right? So let's see your partner's current energy, Leo. Your partner current energy is the Hermit. I feel like Leo's your partner right now is in this mode of seeking answers from within, being very silent in a meditative phase. So the Hermit energy is like they are seeking answers from within. They are trying to find solutions to their own problems. Okay, and the problem is that they are not emotionally stable, they are not mentally stable right now, and that is why they are like taking a break from everything in their life and seeking the help of spiritualism or something related to spirituality. Okay, let's clarify the Hermit in their current energy. Yes, they're trying to seek answers for the things that they did or that are not working out for them. Let's clarify. The Ten of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So basically, this person is seeking answers whether to start this connection all over again or not, whether to start their life in some different direction or not. Because I feel like this person is feeling the worst is over. Okay, this is the worst that could happen to them, and that is why now they are in this zone of feeling victorious, feeling successful. They want to start life with a victorious and successful start, and start their life with a passionate energy all over again. So basically this person is going through hell in the past, was going through hell, and now they are just waking up from this hell, and they're just trying to start their life all over again. Might be a relationship all over again, but as of now I feel like their journal energy is like this, that they want to start their life, switch on their life all over again, because there was something that hurted them very badly, and now they're coming out of this bad phase. They're taking their sweet ass time to come out of this situation, but eventually they will come out of this situation. They're trying their hard, they're trying their best. Let's see, Leos, your current energy. What is your current energy right now? Your current energy right now is, Leos, Knight of Cups. I feel like, Leos, you are in this lovable zone right now. You are carrying lots of emotions, lots of love for somebody, and you want to, deliver this message to this particular person, whomsoever is in your mind while reading this, while watching this video. So I feel like you're carrying lots of emotions, lots of love for this particular person, and you want to give this love to this person. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Why are you feeling like this? The Star, the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Cups. Again, I feel like, Leos, although you are standing your own ground, although you are being very defensive, I feel like you are very, what should I say? You are in a healing process, and you are very hopeful that everything will be fine. Everything is going to be positive. And then you are, after being in this defensiveness from a very long time, from a very long period of time, I feel like now you're realizing that yes, you have emotions for this particular person. Yes, you still carry lots of emotion, lots of love, and lots of attachment to this connection, because this is the Knight of Cups energy that you are carrying right now. But deep inside you have this Queen of Cups energy. Deep inside you have lots of love, lots of care, lots of uh, beautiful emotions for this particular person. This is your current energy, Leos. This is what you are going through right now. Okay, let's see what they feel for you, what this particular person feels for you. This is very hot here, and I can't switch on the fan because the fan makes noises in between the video. So let's see. If you see me sweating, just bear with me. Okay. Okay, I'm not that much beautiful, but yeah, I'm trying my best to look good to you people. This is how I live, this is my style of living. So let's see your what they feel for you. Let's see, Leos, what this particular person feels for you, their feelings for you. The feelings for you, Leos. The Magician. I feel like this person is manifesting you, the magician card. So I feel like this person is, using all the law of attraction techniques, all the, affirmation techniques, and all that techniques that are used in law of attraction to attract a specific person, or attract your ex, or attract your past person back. So I feel like this person is manifesting you back in their life, consciously or unconsciously. They are doing that. These are their feelings for you. They want to manifest you back in their life. Okay, so they also feel that there is potential in this connection, there is love in this connection, there is passion in this connection. But I feel like right now they are taking a step back. They are just trying to figure out something, some things in their life, and they will, I feel, they will come to you eventually. We will see. Let's clarify the magician in their current, in their feelings for you. The judgment, the nine of swords, and the empress. Okay, so I feel like this person is manifesting forgiveness from you, and they want to forgive you. This is the energy, because they're very very stressed, because they're very very anxious. They're not being, they are not able to sleep without you. They are not able to, you know forget you. They I feel like this person has already forgiven you from their heart. They have forgiven you already, but they are not, sure about you. They are not sure about you, whether you are in this zone of, taking this relationship thing again, or you are in this zone of making things work out again. So basically that is why this person is manifesting you back in their life, manifesting a way to, to make you go back to this particular person again. This is what is happening right now. So they want to have forgiveness from both the parties, from both the side, because they are very very anxious, and they can see that you are in your empress mode right now, Leos. I feel like you are showing to them that you are very happy, you don't give a fuck, you don't give a shit, and you are, busy doing your own stuff. You are looking good, you are working on your money, you are working on yourself, you are going to gym, or you are looking good. Whatever it is, you are showing them that you are very very happy without them, and you don't need anybody else on earth to make you happy. Okay, that is why, because you are looking happy. That is why this person is might be very very anxious and stressed, and this person hopes for forgiveness from both the sides, and that is why they are feeling like they should manifest you back. This is the story behind this manifestation. They are very very stressed about you, they are anxious about you, and that is why they are feeling like there should be, a reconciliation thing. You should go back to them. There is potential in this connection. So all this shit is happening in this whole scenario. Let's see what this person wants from you. What this person wants from you, Leos. What this person wants from you. I'm a Leo rising, and my moon sign is also Leo. So I can relate to this very much. Let's see what this person wants from you, Leos. Ten of Cups, happiness, a beautiful family, a complete relationship. This is the Ten of Cups energy. They want a beautiful family with you. They want to grow old with you. They want to have kids with you. This is what they want from you. This is beautiful energy of bonding. This is beautiful energy of soulmates. This is beautiful energy of being in a marriage with somebody, being in a connection with somebody. And this connection is not a, short term connection. It is a long term committed offer. This is what they want from you. Okay, I'm not telling you that they're coming in with this kind of offer. This is what they exactly want from you, Leo. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify. I feel like the moon sign and the rising sign matches lot, matches much to you. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups. Temperance, Knight of Cups, and the Sun. Yes, because this person is trying to balance their emotions, and they are trying to might be conceal their emotions, but now they are admitting that they love you. They have lots of feelings for you, and you make them really very very happy. You could be dealing with another Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So it is like this person feels like you are their family. You should be their spouse. They want a long term commitment from you, because they are being very very patient with this connection. They are being very very patient with this particular relationship, and they feel like there's love in this connection, there's love in this relationship, and you make them really very very happy. Okay, you are the one that make them really happy from the, bottom of their heart. That is why they want this from you. That is why they want long term commitment, a happy family, a spouse, and husband wife connection with you. Nice. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end or till 10th of June. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of June. What to expect from this person till 10th of June. Just give me a second. Yes, what to expect from this person till 10th of June. Holding back. So Leos, I feel like this person is not coming towards you. Although these are their feelings, although this is what they want from you, this person will still hold back because I feel like they feel like this is not the right time to connect with you, or they are feeling like you are not in this mode of being in a connection right now. Might be basically this person is trying to hold back and control their emotions towards you, and till 10th of June, I don't feel like this person is coming towards you because they are holding back, because they are feeling like right now this is not the right time to act upon this, although I'm feeling a love for this person, although this person is my happiness, but right now my heart, my soul is not allowing me to go to this, to go towards this particular person. As of now, let's clarify the Four of Pentacles, why they are feeling like this. There is resistance here. Death, Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, there's another story adding in here. So they want to end things with some other third party, might be. Okay, this could also mean you could be dealing with a Scorpio. It might also be possible. So Leo, I feel like they want to end a connection with the third party. Okay, and that is making them really, really very, very emotionally drained, emotionally off, or emotionally very, very sentimental from inside. They are very, very deeply hurt because might be the third party is not working out for them. If there is any third party, you know better. If there is someone else also related to them, Leos, this person wants to end things with the third party. Definitely they want to end things with the other party, and then they want to start all over again, but this is not easy for them as well, because they are connected to this third party might be from a very long time, but this person is trying their best to come out of that situation and then start all over again in their life. That is why now I'm getting it, why they are right now holding back, why they are right now in this zone of right now that I should not take any kind of action, I should seek answers from within, whom I love, whom I care for, and all that shit. So they are deeply hurt by something and they are just standing their ground. The things are not working out with the third party, and they're just trying to end things with the third party, and they're holding back because right now they are feeling like this is not the right time to act upon this situation with you. So I hope this reading will give you some insight about your relationship with this particular person. Thank you so much, Leos, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading resonates with you or if it helps you in any way. Thank you so much. Namaste.